Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is the Glow Cube. There's so many benefits to ice rolling your face, and the Glow Cube has made it so easy. Not only is this thing reusable, but it is super cute and easy to use. It is such a good way to start your day. I really appreciate the way that the Glow Cube was designed because you can continue to use the same stick for up to a week if you pop this right back in the freezer after you've used it. So you don't have to remember to refill this every single night and make a new block of ice every day. It can be used over and over again. This is so simple to use. All you have to do is take the top off and fill it with whatever water or tea or something that you want to put in here. You pop it in the freezer. This thing stands up all on its own, so you don't have to worry about it falling over. And by the next morning, you have a nice solid stick of ice, and it is so easy to pop right back in the freezer and keep reusing it over and over again. I really appreciate how thick this silicone is because as you hold it, it's not making your hand cold. So you're just being able to use the ice on your face without freezing your fingers. I really, really love using this. I super recommend it to everyone. I think it is such a high quality product, and that is my point of view.